Okay, so this will be the coding problem 1.1 and 1.2 for software design and development. So come in here, we see our problem. Assume S is a string of lowercase letters. It gives us that we're looking for vowels, and it gives us our return value. So we're just going to take this, and we'll come into our lab. And I've already done this once, so I kind of know like what to expect, but I'll just go through and explain. So we set our string equal to the um, assortment of letters given. So the first thing we're going to do is that obviously we're going to set our count to 0, and then we're going to do a for loop, and we're going to say for characters in S. So for characters in our string, we're going to say if characters equal, if the character that we were given is equal to A, or basically all the vowels, so A, E, I, O, U. So we'll just go through all of that for this, and we'll just keep repeating this until we get all A, E, I, O, U in our if character equals. Got everything? Okay. So from there, we'll say count plus or equal to 1. And what this does is it adds two values together, and the result is our, like, it gives us the result of our variable. So it kind of picks through all the data or all the letters that we have here. So that's what that does. And from there, we will just print our output. So we'll just say print, oops, number of vowels is, close that, and we will add our count. And that should run. So number of vowels is 5. So that's 1.1. So for the second one, same thing. S is a string of lowercase letters. Gives us this again. So we'll take it. And we want the program to return Bob. Or sorry, we are given the combination Bob, and we want it to return 2 times. So we're looking for that occurrence. So we'll set our count to 0 again, and then we'll say for in range, oops, and then we'll say if s n colon n plus 3 equals Bob. We'll say count plus or equal to 1. So basically all of this right here is pretty much just going through the string we have and looks for that combination of Bob, and it's going to see how many times that appears. So then we will just print the number of times Bob occurs is, and it should return 2. Like I said, I've already done this once, but I was just going to go back through and explain my steps and my thought process. So there's that, and it should return the same thing. So there's that. That's pretty much it for problem 1.1 and 2. These are pretty straightforward. It's pretty much just you're given a string of characters, and pretty much just use a for loop and go through and find whatever combination you're given. In 1.1, it was vowels, so A, E, I, or U. So pretty much you just set your characters equal to those, and it scans your string and finds the number of vowels. And in this case, for finding the number of times Bob appears, same thing, goes through, sees that Bob appears twice, returns that Bob occurs 2 times. And that is it for 1.1 and 1.2.